You're not really gonna see it. I couldn't really see
There you
yours.
go. No, it's perfect.
You good?
Yeah, it's recording.
It's recording? What you missing?
Got it.
Yo! No one will know. We'll be right there. Never see it coming. Yo, Rich! No, I want to be right near the thing. I want to start there. Oh, damn it, I just hit the wall with the camera.
What's it gonna?
It'll be somewhere along there.
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. I mean, as long as you can hear the gun going. Because it's going to sound sexy. Oh, it's not fully over.
Oh.
Yeah! Yeah!
Stay faster. I really love the look of his gun.
And there's everything that comes with it.
These are pretty close, they're touching the 9.
Get some! Right in front of you, right in front of you. I'm right in front of you. Ah, fuck, ricochet. Right in the neck. Ah, that's fucking cool. Yo, yo, cover, go. Yo, cover.
Alright, you guys hold it there.
Yo, just hold it down, guys, hold it down.
Take up good coverage and hold it. That's it!
Hit! Is he down there? Alright.
There you are.
Come on. Got him. One down. Right in front of me. Nuts out! Matt, you out? Just checking. Gun hit. Yo, gun hit. Got you, bro. Go for it. You're good. What's up, Dan? Is Matt out? Right. No, we're good. We're good. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. We're good. Just protect it, man. Just protect it. I got your back. I got your back. You got our back? They're not coming here. Hit! Hit! Nice shot. Alright, I'll stay here with you in a second.
There's one over here. Careful.
Woo! Snipe, mother. Hit! I think we're still good. You want to check your camera check? Check the gun out. Alright. There you go. Hit! Damn! I just nailed those things again. I'll be there in a sec, man. Alright, go. Go ahead, Joe. Go ahead, Joe. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, 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 go.
Is the time ours?
Time is us still.
Is it ours?
Yes, it's us. Ours. That was good.